Okay, today's tour is going to go over the .epub website, which allows you to install a bookmark in your web browser, which then will allow you to use that bookmark to download any web content as a EPUB file, which you can then access in the iBooks application, which is a new application with the Maverick operating system, with the new Maverick operating system, where you can now read ebooks on your MacBook Air, which is pretty cool in terms of you can use that application to annotate and highlight and define words, set up bookmarks within it. So it can be a pretty handy tool in the classroom, especially for different types of reading activities and reviews and whatnot. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go over to this site, the .epub.com website. I put a link to this in the blog post. Next thing you're going to do is make sure that the EPUB format is selected down here under the installation section. In addition, this immersive mode, when you do download the web content, sometimes the pictures and the links don't necessarily show up right. So you can, if you have this immersive mode checked, it's always going to remove pictures and links and whatnot, which can be a good thing, but also sometimes you might want that stuff in the ebook. Just make sure that it formats right when it does download it. So I like to ask at conversion every time. But really that's a personal preference. I do like to ask at conversion each time, so I check that. So then from there, it's this simple. Go up to this .epub bookmark here. I'm going to take that and drag it right on over into my my toolbar up here. Drop it down. It's going to come up. I'm going to right click on it and click edit, and then you can choose to name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to name it EPUB, but that's really personal preference, whatever you want to name it. Click save. It's going to be right there for whenever you need it. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to go over to this website here. This is from Macworld, and it's 16 secrets for Google Drive. So let's say I want to turn this into an EPUB format to read in iBooks. So I just go up to my bookmark, click the bookmark. Do I want immersive mode or not? So I am going to say yes, because this particular website has a lot of different pictures and advertisements and whatnot, and when you do format, it's not going to necessarily show up right for this particular website. So I'm going to click on the immersive mode to get rid of all that stuff, and you can see that it's going to open up right down here. So I can click on that and open it right on up. 16 Secrets of Google Drive, and here you go. This website is now in an ebook that I can read and use the various functions on. If I double click on a word, it will define that word for me, which can be pretty handy within the classroom. I can use it to annotate by highlighting certain sections, and then from there, maybe I want to mark that green. I can click on that and maybe add a note. So this can be a pretty useful tool within the classroom. Hopefully you find it helpful.